Okay, this one we only discussed in the last class. Okay, so that is projection of solid one. Here to draw, you have to draw four questions compulsory. So this is how you have practice problem. Okay, for evaluation, you'll consider only these four questions. Okay, so if you have any doubt from that label, okay, I will come back. If any doubts, then I will show the label. Which question you want? Anyone for labeling? Okay, Chetaski
Third,
asks some label.
third question.
That questions. Okay. Anyway, first two question I already,
Hexagonal.
yeah, okay. First two question already, I hope I already drawn during last class itself. So okay, here
Yes,
the
sir.
third question, external prism. So, okay, external prism of base side 30 mm, axis 60 mm, rest on ground. Okay, rest on ground with the base of the on the base. Okay, base is on the ground. Remember, okay, base is on the ground. Okay, you have the six sides. Okay, with the six sides. Okay, that will be a parallel to the wall. Okay, now that means okay, maybe you will be coming two sides parallel to the wall. Okay, so 1 minute, sir. The hexagonal prism எடுத்துங்க. Prism, hexagonal prism. Okay, two with the base side parallel to the wall. So draw the projection of the prism and determine the true length of the longest diagonal. Okay, so this is the question they asked. So I'll show some real time. That's okay. So imagine this is the prism. Okay, hexagonal prism. So you know how the longer side. So this face, this base, so have the six. Okay, so sectional having the six base edges. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So imagine the system. Okay, this is a VP. That is a wall. This is a floor. Okay, or HP. Okay. So the given condition is base side 30 mm. Okay, no problem. Base side 30 mm. The axis height is 60 mm. Visible only, na? Are you able to visible the prism?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
fine. Okay. So the given condition is 30 mm side, okay, no problem. Then 60 mm axis. Okay, so this is a prism you have to draw. For the given condition, the resting on base on here ground. Okay, so imagine this is a ground. So this is a base now. So we have the top base, bottom base. Okay, so we may see the true shape. This is true shape is hexagon. Okay, where I get in true shape? Top view, front view, or side view. True shape is hexagon.
Top
From the
view.
top
Top view and
view.
bottom view.
Top view.
Top
Okay,
view.
because this is resting on ground. Okay, ground means
Yes,
be
sir.
the top view. Okay, the top view only I can able to see the hexagon shape. Okay, the front view I can able to see the only rectangle. Okay,
Rectangle.
that will be rectangle shape will come. Okay, but in more condition they given, the base side is parallel to the wall. We have the six sides. So in that anyway, two side opposite will be equal. Okay, so here but pentagon different, but here the two opposite side are equal. Okay, so they mention base side parallel to the wall. Okay, suppose I'm taking this position. So this side as well as this side is parallel to the wall. Okay, but this side and this one, this remaining four sides are inclined to the wall. Imagine. Okay, imagine now in this position, these two sides. Okay, the two sides are parallel to the wall. Okay, but this remaining four sides are inclined to the wall. Okay, where I'm looking like this means same, these two sides. So you imagine the top you can draw pentagon like this shape. Okay, you draw the like this shape. Okay, pentagon. Sorry, hexagon shape. Hexagon you draw like this shape. That means with respect to this is x-axis, maybe he'll be drawing here. Then you can draw the top view like this. Okay. Then front view you can project it like that will come. Okay. So first you have to understand the diagram, how to start. Then we can proceed into AutoCAD. Okay. So in the top view you have to draw like this. Okay, suppose they are given sides are inclined to the wall means. So this case also you can explain two edges perpendicular to the wall. Okay, so in this condition, in this position, these two faces are perpendicular to wall. Okay, so in this position, these two sides are parallel to the wall. Okay, that you have to remember. Okay, so in the question they are given twisted means you have to draw the position. Top view will be different. Okay, so you have to draw two condition. Okay, either you can draw top view like this or like this. Okay, like this means so these two sides are perpendicular, parallel. Okay, so the two condition we can draw. Okay. So now I'm going to start from the top view. Okay.
This call is now being recorded.
Okay, you have to draw the top view. So first I'm going to converting into 3D. Okay, so yeah, this last week convert started 3D. So check it 3D only. So no problem. Then you have to give the units limits same as usual. Units. Then make it changes into millimeter. Just click OK. Then you have to give the limits 0, 0, 297, 210. Okay, my position paper. Then zoom R. Okay. So I already told here you can change a view. Okay. So inbuilt, opening the software, you can that will be showing only top view because that will be assumed as a ground. Okay. So if you want to draw the front view, means you can draw front view, right side view, left side view, bottom view, isometric you can write. Similarly, here you can draw the change the view style. Okay, whether it will be the wireframe, that is 2D wireframe, or conceptual hidden lines, realistic. This already explained it. So you can go through. So now I want to change the number of viewport. Okay, for single window, vertical, horizontal, that you want to change it here. Okay, so I'm just keeping a single only, so I don't need to change anything. So I'm going to start for the pentagon. So hexagon shape. So you can take it as a polygon. So we take it from the polygon. The number of side is 6. So I'm using edge method because I know the edge length. Okay. So I told now the top view you can draw like this also I can draw like this also, two methods. Okay. So if you draw like this means two edges are
Inclined.
perpendicular. Inclined. Okay, here inclined, but the main thing is this two left and right is na. So that edges is perpendicular. Okay, so this here means the two edges are parallel. Okay, so the given condition parallel. Okay, so 30 mm base size. Okay, I did one hexagon. Okay, hexagon shape. Then next you have to draw the projection. Okay, that is for front 60 mm. Okay, they have to draw the 60 mm. Okay. So if I imagine, I'm going to change it to some isometric view. Suppose one of your friend asks some doubt in labeling. Okay, here suppose here in the top view you can able to see here the bottom base. Okay, so the top base also will be there. Okay, for example, have this is the bottom base. Okay, here the bottom base, have the top. Okay, so I have to give the label for each and every corner. Okay, so I'm saying okay, A small test. Okay, A, B, C, D, and all. In top view you can give PQRS, RS 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this also you can give. Okay, but for giving main thing is the main thing is suppose I'm giving here is ABCD. Okay, imagine I'm giving the top surface is ABCD, bottom I'm giving the numbering. Okay, so this is the top view now. So the top view I can able to see only from the top surface only. Correct? So I'm giving label here is imagine I'm giving here label is ABCD. Okay, so ABCD I can give. When top view, I cannot able to see the bottom corners. Okay, imagine I'm standing on top and just seeing from the top. Okay, so I can able to see only this corners. Okay, this corners, but I cannot able to see the bottom corners. Bottom corners visible, available, but I cannot able to see from the top. Okay, so that you have to give in within a bracket. Suppose I'm giving this is edges, corner is A means. So I'm giving this one means A you have to do, then within a bracket you have to draw 1, write it 1. Similarly, B means within the bracket all things. Okay, so that you have to give. Remember, for labeling for corners, the top surface I'm giving a label means the top view I can able to see only the top surface. Okay, the bottom surface is not kind of visible. Okay, so the top surface, whatever giving the label that you are giving normal, bottom surface label you have to give within a bracket. Okay. Okay, so now come back here. Now I maybe be here. Then next we are going to extrude. Okay, next we are going to extrude height of 60 mm. Okay, so just click extrude. Press enter. Then height is 60. Okay, so this is your original diagram. This is original. If you want to see it in a realistic view, you can see like this. Okay, this I explained. Okay, shaded means like this will be there. Both are similar, but with the edges. Okay, now you can with the edges will be somewhat dark. Okay, so keep it like this. Conceptual maximum here. And next, now what will be the front view? Front will be the
Okay.
rectangle. Okay, like this will be there. Okay, so here rectangle, see that. Even though for giving the rectangle front view label, okay, for front view label, see that. So like this will be okay. Then top view I told you from top face only I give the label. For front view, I am going to projecting from the bottom. Okay, imagine I am going to projecting from the bottom. So I'll come back here. For that for bottom you can be visible, but top you cannot be visible. Okay, see. Doing label will give you. Okay, so this is the condition. Next, okay, so directly this is the answer. Finally, you have to find the longest diagonal length. Okay, that you will write in a layout. Okay. So here, then, but I am going to create a new layout. So before that, just change it. Okay, view. Then change into first angle. Okay, that is a standard. Just click this down arrow. It will be loading. Okay, so inbuilt third angle will be selected. So just projection type is first angle. Then click OK. Okay, now go to again base from model space. Okay, this is your model space. Okay, from model space. Then select objects. Just click select object. Press enter. Next, they are asking the enter new or existing layout. Okay, so I'm going to create new layout. Suppose this is a 5.3. Okay, that question for 3. Okay, so just click it. It will be coming. Okay, so before that, coming to you, no problem. Just change into layout type. Go to base setup manager, 5.3 layout, modify. So so 1:1 I'm taking. Okay, so 1 mm second, 1 mm you can take in. Just then next click OK. Then close it. Okay. Now modify. Now go to your model space. Okay, so do the same from model space. Select object. Enter. So now moving here. We don't come after object only. We can change it. Okay, just click OK. Then this is your top view. Side view also luminary same. Okay. So you can draw. If you want to draw side view, you can draw isometric view. You can draw it. Okay. One more time doing base model space, select object, enter, layout you can check. So layout I'm going to enable from model space. I'm going importing any object that will be only front view. Okay, then we can keep it on the top. Move the cursor down. The top will be the side means side view. This is isometric view. Press enter. Okay, you want to check the dimension. Okay, now I want to say see the with visible to this. Okay, suppose again 1:1 properly will come. Otherwise, no problem. Don't worry. Again, you select the same layout. Okay, so don't. Okay, so modify. Better you can change the precision value 0. Text, I'm going to give some 5 mm height. Arrow size, I will give some 3. Okay, then make sure set current, close. Now 60 is visible. Now this is, okay, only these two sides parallel to VP. So normally imagine there is resting on ground. Okay, so just projection, you can able to see only front view will be on XY. Okay, top you can take some distance, but there isn't given any in front of VP, okay, above HP limit, so you can take it approximately. Okay, so take, I'm drawing here is XY. Okay, I told now, and the top I can able to see some labels. I'm giving the top surface visible. Okay, top surface visible. So I'm going to give some label for here important. Okay, so I don't want this one. I don't want this one. Okay, so deleting. So how to give the label? Okay. For example, go to text. Type text. Start from. I'm going to start. This is my A point. Okay. So I'm just clicking somewhere. Height I'm going to give some 5 mm, only larger one, so 3 mm. You can convert your convenient. Okay. Angle is 0. So A. So this may be the A. This is a B. Second, I'm going clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. B, C, D. Okay, what this label should be protecting the top, front view also. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next, I'm going to give you that bottom. I'm giving the top surface. In the top view, the top base surface, I'm giving the label. Okay. Now again, the pentagon, sorry, hexagon prism, I having bottom base also. Okay. So from the top, I can able to see the bottom. So further, you draw within a bracket. Okay. So you have to give 1. So give some distance. Okay. So merging, just give some distance. Okay. Don't worry. At least nearest to that corner, you have to give some label. Okay. I'm giving here 3, then 4, then 5. That in the bracket. Okay. 5, then 6. Okay. So we can imagine. So the dash. Okay. The dash. Sorry. The top view, the within a bracket and all, you can imagine that will be on the bottom base. The top base will be labeled as a ABCD. Okay, so the top base is nothing but here. This is top base. Okay, this is the bottom base. Okay, now come to label for this one. Okay, because how this is resting on ground. So okay, your top view you got draw first. Correct? You draw the top view first. So first you draw the top view, then just project the top view. For manual drawing, you normally projecting the top view. We're getting the some front view. Okay, for the projection from the top view, like above, like this. Okay, like this from bottom to top direction. Okay, for that, see, I'm going to, from this corner is visible. Correct? This corner is visible. This corner is visible. This corner is visible. Okay, so totally the 4 corners are visible. Okay, only these 2 corners are not visible. Okay, these 2 corners are not visible. That you have to draw within a bracket. Okay, that is now label as F6, then E5 and all you have to draw within a bracket. Okay, so that will be coming in front of you dash. That is F dash, 6 dash, E dash, 5 dash will be within bracket. Okay, so don't draw from directly here. Okay, because of first I do the other top view, because of this is resting on floor ground. So first imagine the true shape is on ground. Okay, so you have to draw the true shape first. That is a hexagon. Okay, so then you can draw the projection. Okay, so what will be there? So for example, this is the corner. Okay, it will be coming here. Okay, so you have to give, this is I told visible. Okay, so you have to give label as a, what is the label for here? This point.
B. A. A.
A or 1?
One, sir.
One.
Yeah, I
One
told
dash.
now. Yeah, okay, very good. Okay, the top only I told only ABCD. Bottom I can give label as a 1, 2, 3 and all. So that's why I gave here within bracket. But here, don't worry,
No,
from the top. Okay, so you have to give
One
1
dash.
dash. Don't give the bracket. Okay. So I'll come back to this corner. Okay, so this corner will be the
4 dash.
4 dash. Okay, then what about similarly for the top? Okay, what about this one?
A dash,
Yeah, A dash. Everything is small letters. Okay, A dash. What about this one?
D dash,
Yeah, D dash. Now we'll come to this one. Okay. So for this corner, okay, for this corner, I'm going to projecting from here. That will be intersection on both this corner, this corner. Okay, for pentagon, this and this will be. That's why you can draw only continuous this line. Okay. Suppose if some rotation, some little bit rotation will be done. Some corner will be tilted up to here means. So this edges also you draw with in dotted lines. Okay, that is means from this side this line is not visible. Okay, that you are drawing dotted line. Okay, so if you have doubt, I'll draw one more diagram for that also. So, okay, for giving label for here, how to give?
2 dash, comma, 5 dash in bracket.
Very good. Okay, because 2 dash from here, 2 dash visible, but the 5 dash, sorry, 6 dash is okay, 6 dash not visible. Okay, so 2 dash within a bracket, 6 dash. Okay, if you know label already, you can draw continuously. Okay, because I have given first ABC, then I give 1, 2, 3. You can draw continuously. That will be a better. Okay, here this point will be
2 dash,
5
3
dash
dash,
in bracket.
5 dash.
3 dash within a bracket, 5 dash. That's it.
2 dash.
Then come to top.
B dash and F dash in bracket.
Correct. Okay, so B
3
dash.
dash, dash in bracket.
F dash bracket. Similarly for this corner
C
label is
dash,
C
C dash,
dash,
E dash in bracket.
B dash is a bracket. Like this one, you have to give the label. Understood? Seta? Three.
Yes, sir.
Seta 3. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this
Thank you, sir.
this is I giving from the bottom to top. Okay, I'm giving bottom to top. Suppose the two shape is in here means inversely. Okay, from your draw first you draw the front view, then projecting the front view bottom, then what are the visible edges visible that you can write. Okay. Here I told some. I'll come back here. Suppose I told some rotation, little bit rotation. Okay. Rotation. Okay, so little bit. Now that every corner will be changed. Okay. Okay. Now I am moving this object to that somewhat. So see, it also will be tilted. But now I'm going to projecting the same view on top. Okay, see. When I'm rotating there, this is also rotated. Okay, so I don't want to confuse here. So I'll come back. I'll draw one more new layout. Okay, for that one. So there is this one. So similarly, this line you got to give X, Y, and R. Okay. Same layout only I'm moving. This may be your front view, then top view. Okay. Now see, when I'm zooming, see this line, the line difference is there now. So this is income dotted. Okay, so this also will coming dotted. Okay. So that you can change the line type. Okay, so okay here. So for understanding, see this line is in dotted line. Okay, Y means see when I go into projecting from again from top to bottom to top. Okay, so this corner visible, this corner visible, this also visible, this also visible, but this two corner is not visible. Okay, the two corners is not visible. So the two corners you are drawing dotted line. Okay, this corner maybe will come in this line. Okay, see? That you are drawing dotted. So this is also not visible. So that also you are drawing dotted here. Okay, but previously you can able to see only the straight lines. Okay, for this and this side because of this corner and this corner will be on the same axis. Okay, that you remember. Okay, so this will be helpful for those who are drawing the manual drawing. Okay, so I'll come back. I'll have some instruction. I'll tell you. Okay. I hope you understood the label and how to draw the label and all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from true shape, then you can project that. Okay, true shape is hexagon. Then from there you can give the label normal. Then you can project the front view and all. Okay. Then some people are asked how that converting PDF also. Okay. Normally, I am asking only that taking the screenshot or take a photo, then attach in the PDF files and all. Okay. One more method is there, but directly conversion. So just no, because of just don't do that one. Because of whenever doing a normal thing, that is a better. Okay, I can evaluate easily. Then only understand you did some work. Okay. So converting PDF, many people can okay. Some of your friends also converting instead of your name. For that, you can go to. So like this, okay. Suppose this thing I can convert into some PDF. Okay. So I give some label and done. Then I will convert. Okay. So some people know already. So, okay. So don't know how to PDF conversion. So after drawing in layout, okay. So go to print. Okay, in the print option. So nothing initially somewhat will be okay. You are going to converting drawing to PDF. Okay, just click the drawing to PDF. Okay. Then paper sizes, you can take some A4 sheets. So ISO A4 size paper. You can add two things. One portrait form will be the 297, 210 or 210 mm. Okay. Click any one. So make sure that MM scale should be 1:1. So the layout, instead of layout, I'm going to select some window. So I want only that diagram only. Okay, so just click that window. I'm going to converting only this one. Okay, so this much. Okay, then. Okay, no need to be want to change the name. You can change it. You can just click OK. You'll be asking any location. Okay, I'm going to draw some desktop. So maybe this is 5.3. I give some label. Looking format is PDF. Okay. Now see, so like this, your diagram will be visible. Okay. This is also a method you can draw, but for our class, I'm starting. I'm following only taking screenshot and uploading, converting PDF a single file. That is the correct because of then only you have to people are no. Okay, so here also I can able to instead of you I can create one for your friends also. Okay, that is the correct one. You take your photo or screenshot of your AutoCAD screen. That is a good one. Okay, then only we can understand you did some work, you practiced it. Okay. So like this also you can do, but you can draw remaining diagram also you can draw converting the same PDF. You can do it. Okay. Why I explain this one means in final exam. Suppose final exam your draw means that time you have to do this one only. Okay, not screenshot. In final exam, simple only. Okay, if you have doubt that time also I'll explain. Converting just to go to print the option, just change the parameters. Okay, like the PDF, the drawing, then A4 size, then select window you can draw. Okay. Just remember this one. So, okay, don't repeat don't do it for our class. Okay, if you want to do, we can do, but better avoid. Okay, for our class, I'm saying. Okay, so final exam or model exam. Okay, you can draw like this method. Okay, so that time I'll also explain. Okay, before exam, before this exam, also I'll explain how to converting the drawing to PDF. Okay, so we'll be taking only around to understanding is only less than 1 minute only. Okay, I hope you understood the week number. That is exercise number 5. Okay, week number 6, exercise number 5. So I'll move to week number.
Sir,
Yeah.
naming for side view should be given with respect to right side view or left side view.
Yeah, any view. Okay, any view. Suppose if your right side view, take it means right. Normally the side view you are not asking maximum. Okay. Suppose the condition resting on the floor sometime that time only you have to consider the side view. Side view you can give some double dash. Okay, give some double dash as a diagram. Okay, here we going to here means from the side view means you can imagine from here. Okay, you can imagine from here. Okay, in the side view, this corner, this corner, this corner can visible. Correct? From the side view, I can imagine. Okay, because of this is resting here. Okay, so this corner you can give it normally here label, same label. Okay, same label only, but this corner to 3 corner only you can draw without dash. Okay, this is the for this position. This is also visible. Okay, this color is visible, but normal your question only the two parallel. At that time only the three colors only visible. That you draw within a so without bracket. This color you can draw within a bracket. Okay, with the double dash. But normally we don't draw the side view for this end. Okay, so only front view top is enough. Okay. Suppose in addition the question they asking draw the side view means okay, you draw side view. See in the question also they asking only draw front view, top view and the isometric views only. Isometric view no need to worry about label. Okay, so main thing is front view top view must be the labeled one. Okay, isometric view you can give, that will be also well and good. Side view and all maximum they won't ask. Okay, so some condition resting on wall or somewhat. Okay, so inclined means that time you can consider side view. Okay, so other than you cannot don't need to side view. So draw only top view front view with the label. Okay, some they are asking specifically you can give. That's it. Okay, then we will move to today's week, that is projection of solids. Okay, same we will continue from previous class. Okay, previous class we discussed only projection of solid 1. That we discussed only how to draw the prisms. Okay, now I did now for hexagonal prism. Okay, same here we have to discuss only pyramid. Okay, only difference is there you having the longer edges where you having the apex point and all. Okay, so I'll use some introduction, then we'll move to the then remaining another concept change. Okay, resting on floor and all will be same. Okay, just to drive will be just this all will be taking only less than less than half an hour for completing this work and all. Okay. So before that, so I want to give some instruction as for the course coordinator. I give some instruction. Okay. So I'll read it, I'll explain. Okay, so don't need to worry about this one. This is mainly for those who are doing manual drawing. So that means that those who are not having AutoCAD but having system, but not having AutoCAD, not installed AutoCAD, not installed TeamViewer. Okay, then those are using mobile phone. Okay, for the people, very important. Kindly listen. Okay, I cannot share this one, but I'll read it. Okay, so anyway, you may understand what we are expecting. Okay, so only the two modes of drafting will be considered. Only the usual AutoCAD. Okay, then manual drafting. So only that hereafter the students should use any one mode. Going to either you can draw manual drafting or AutoCAD. Okay, manual drafting means I discussed in the questions in AutoCAD. So this you have to draw in manually. Okay, in A4 sheet paper using scale pencil. Okay, or drafter, examine drafter you can use it. Then A3 sheet paper also you can use it. Then write this diagram. Then scan and upload it. Okay, scan and upload it. Okay, so before that I'll don't want to record this one. And I'm expecting at the time I'll expect. Okay, just listen. Okay, so that is the manual drafting. Okay, so in our class around 10 people, okay, 10 to 15 people, they're not having, not using some laptop, they're not having installed AutoCAD, as well as some people are using mobile phone. Okay, for that, kindly listen carefully. So it is advised not to allow the manual drafting by those who are already working in the AutoCAD. So there's already some people I don't know, except that 10 to 15 people. Okay, these people are doing AutoCAD. Okay, so you have to use the same method. You cannot do for manual drafting. So only for those who are not having computers, only the mobile phones, as well as students who have a computer but unable to install AutoCAD, or AutoCAD is not working in their computer after installation. The students who have a computer do not have AutoCAD accessing the lab system through the TeamViewer. Okay, only these three such cases only we will give for manual drafting. Okay, AutoCAD, according to my suggestion, AutoCAD is very easy. Okay, we can finish it within. I don't know, within half an hour or 20 minutes, we can finish it all week. We can complete it. But this is, we will take time. Anyway, so those people are not completing it, so you have to follow this method only. Okay. For those people do not have computers, having only mobile phone. Then students who have a computer but unable to install AutoCAD, or AutoCAD not working in their computer after installation. Then students who have computers do not have AutoCAD and accessing the lab system through TeamViewer. Okay, so these three people cases, okay, we have to do for manual drafting. Suppose we have difficulty means what are the 4 questions? That 4 questions you have to draw it in manually. okay, using scale pencil or drafter, you can write it, then upload it in a GCR. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay. So same kind of people, suppose the model university particular exam through online mode, suppose, okay, if there is an, if you, suppose they reopen means we can come and do it here. There is no issues. Okay, but online mode means, so you have to set the two questions. That will one is for manual drafting and one is for AutoCAD. So those are doing the manual drafting, these people now, for that we have different set of question paper. And those are doing AutoCAD, for them also they are getting a different set of question paper. Okay, that also remember. So hereafter the student should be clear. Okay, so we are going to which mode you are going to work. Okay, so do not allow both the modes. Okay, so we cannot allow. Okay, both the AutoCAD and the manual. That's not a correct one. So after this class or afternoon, okay, I'll send one Google form. Okay, so kindly check it. Okay, fill the Google form whether you are going to do AutoCAD or manual drafting fully. Why means this you have to practice continuously. Okay, so I will note down the numbers and all. Based on that only I am going to evaluate your marks. Okay, those if you are selecting the manual means, okay, I'm going to evaluate your manual drafting only. Okay. Then similarly your final exam also you must do only manual, not AutoCAD. Okay, because we practice only manual, not so that also you have to do only manual. So similarly, those are practice AutoCAD only up to entire weeks. Okay, up to 12 weeks means 10 weeks and you have to do exams also not AutoCAD only, not manual drafting. Okay, so we can't interchange. Okay, so kindly hereafter clearly do. Okay, so post if you're feeling okay, I cannot do AutoCAD because I don't have computers, because my AutoCAD not working properly means, kindly change it to manual. Okay, remaining weeks. Okay, so today onwards you have to do only manually. Final exam also you have to do only manually. Okay, but AutoCAD if you are having means, so this your wish. Okay, so you can content only, you have to do only AutoCAD. Okay, we cannot change it to manual drafting, but you have to make sure. Then suppose students who prefer manual drafting more, if they're willing to learn AutoCAD, okay, that you can do. Okay, for extra class particulars also you can do it via TeamViewer, access to our college system. But before the deadline, you have to submit the manual drafting completed exercise. Okay, you have to complete the manual drafting exercise. So doing model exam or unit stage particular exam, student cannot be allowed to write the exam only the mode they are used only submit exercise during regular classes. Okay, it all now same. Suppose if practicing fully manual means, so you have to model unit exam also you have to do only manual only, not AutoCAD. Okay. Then if you are regular class, okay, that is okay. Even during regular exams, they are even. I am going to they give suggestion the manual drafting for maximum. So using only mobile phone. Okay, so our class also have some people are using mobile phone. So they don't have computer now, so they better can do for manual drafting. Then you can upload it as an upload. Okay, so because I do municipal class, so you have to use the phones. You cannot allow the mobile phone. Okay, for practicing for computers as such. Okay, in case online mode means. Similarly, for manual drafting, they need to upload the manual drawing along with the record. Same, okay, the same as usual condition. So you have to prepare. Okay, you have to prepare mentally for which mode you are going to do. Whether you are going to do AutoCAD or manual drafting. Okay, that you have to make sure. So today afternoon I'll send one Google form. Kindly fill the Google form. So that is the final. Okay, so hereafter you can change your mode. Okay, so AutoCAD or manual drafting, that you have to select it. Based on that, you are going to upload your answers in a GCR. Okay. Suppose you are selecting AutoCAD mode, but you are uploading a question answers in manual drafting means that is not correct. Similarly, if you are selecting AutoCAD manual mode means, but you are uploading in AutoCAD mode, that is also not correct. Okay, so first you are clear with your idea. Okay, so which mode you are going to do. Okay, that you have to clear. So don't worry, we will try to help you. So this is for as for the course coordinator final confirmation. Okay, because many people, not only our class, some class are also facing some problems. Okay, like TeamViewer as well as not installation or not having system under they are having problem. For that, they are having a common solution. Okay, you have to follow for all the 40 sections. You have to follow the common rules only. So this is the rules. So here out you follow the same. Okay, so manual or AutoCAD. So decide yourself. The time is there. So today afternoon I'll send them form. So fix it. Okay. Any issue, any doubt regarding this? Okay. Anyway, I cleared your doubt. Okay, I explained detailed it. So no problem. It's okay. So see later. Okay. So come to today's week. Easy only. And move it fast. Okay. Now you can record. Who is recording that initially? You can record, start record also. This question opened. Okay. So this is a week number 7 or 8, but the exercise number, exercise number. Okay, so we covered up to 5 exercises. Okay. So I don't want to anyway later before CL2 I'll detail recall the remaining weeks. First 3 weeks over. Okay, that also I want to inform you attendance percentage. Okay, attendance percentage very important. Only in our class total 72 people. I think 3 to 4 people having less than 75%. Okay, so must 75 is must. Again repeat. Last class also I
This
repeated.
call is now being recorded.
Okay, attendance percentage is very important. So because of base more than 75 only, you can able to write your university exam. Okay, suppose it becoming an February month means that you have to attend percentage must. Okay, every subject, not only our subject, all subject 70 percentages must. Then only we allow for writing your university exam. Otherwise, what will do means suppose attendance percent less than 75 means. In case if you are not able to apply any OD or ML means, okay, so you may be detained. So you have to study the same subject next semester. Okay, so your time also wasted, then your money also will be wasted. Okay, so don't waste your money as well as time. Main thing time. Okay, so just to maintain the attendance. Okay, more than 80. Don't again repeating. Don't maintain 70 or 75 also. I'll attend all class. Okay, what is the difficulty for this online classes? Okay, okay. But anyway, if any network issue, that let me know. Otherwise, please attend the class regularly, both theory and lab. Not only lab class and not only theory class. Okay, both theory and lab class is very important. Okay, attendance also very important. So kindly attend. Okay, again repeating. So I don't want to reveal the name also. So okay, so kindly attend it. Okay. Then today we see projection of solid 2. Same. This already we discussed in previous class. What is solids? Classification solids. What are the terms used in the solid center? We'll discuss it. So in addition, we are going to discuss today pyramid, solids or revolutions, then frustum center. So the solids we know already is a 3-dimensional object. So they have length, breadth, and thickness. So there are 3 V's. Okay, when you can hide it on top, you also can tie it. Okay. Then classification, polyhedra, solids or revolution. So polyhedra. So now we'll come back. Okay. So previous week, that is last week, we discussed prisms. Okay. So now we are going to see some pyramid. Okay. Here also how to name the pyramid based on the base size. Okay. So suppose the prism you are naming pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism. Okay. So there what will say? Okay, having the 2 sides. That is 2 bases, top base as well as bottom base. BACM. As telling about base. Okay. 2 bases are equal. Okay, that will be all the corners are connected with parallelly. Okay, so that will be the prism. Okay, prism, bottom base, top base. Okay, then have the number of faces. Okay, suppose pentagon means 5 sides. You have the 5 equal faces. Okay, similarly hexagon means 6 sides. 6 equal faces. Okay, but here everything have rectangle faces. Okay, in prisms we discuss only the rectangle faces. Okay, but in this pyramid we are going to see only the triangular faces. Okay, here also you can see faces. So this is corners, edges, base edges. Okay, then this corner, then we have the longer edges, slide edges, or we can normally call it in the cylinders, we can call some generators. Then this is apex spine. Okay, like normally O. We know as apex origin. Okay, so you can take it as a apex spine. So based on this base, we can name it as this is a triangular, again triangular shape, as we call it a triangular pyramid. Okay, so this is a square shape now, so this is a square pyramid. So this is a pentagon shape now, so this is a pentagon pyramid. Like this, based on the bases, we can name it as a pyramid. Okay, so this is a hexagonal pyramid. Okay, so hexagonal pyramid have the equal number of 6 triangles. Okay, but the prisms having the 6 rectangles. Okay, here having the 6 triangles. Okay, this also will be equal. Okay, because the side length is also equal means so automatically the triangular faces also will be equal. Okay, so now come to here, the pyramid as a polyhedron having one base. Okay, but the prism has 2 base. Okay, with the number of isosceles triangular faces meeting the point called as apex, the origin point is also top. Okay, that is called as a apex point. Okay, a line, imaginary line passing through the center of the base, the apex point called as axis of the pyramid. So maybe in the center too. Okay, from the center point of this hexagon, then draw the apex point line. That will be the axis. Okay, same axis. Okay, the pyramid. Same after the shape of the base. This pyramid called as a square. Suppose 4 side means that will be the square pyramid. Okay, so square pyramid have the 4 base side edge. 4 edges will be there. Okay, base will be the square shape. Pentagon means like pentagon base. Okay, so like this will be weight. So this term is important. So previously also discussed for which one prisms. Okay, same like this terms. So here also having the same some terms. Okay, we are having the edge. This is the edge or side base. Okay, then this is under corners. Okay, this is under ABCD and the corners. Then PO is the axis line. Okay, PO is axis line. Then this is like slant. Okay, slant height. This is a slant height. Then this is the corner edge. The various corner edge. Then slant surface, triangular surface, and that is the slant surface. Okay. So this is a condition. Okay, they remember the notation. Okay, because of they given the question is slant edge is resting on ground, or the apex point is on ground, or edge one of the corners above the H peak. They give like this question. Like just remember that terms. Okay, before understand we're going to start the week. Just remember what are the terms will be there. Okay, in pyramids. Okay. Then have some solids of revolution. So that is nothing but the cylinder. Okay, so that is nothing but if you're having any rectangle, if you go and draw a rectangle, I'm going to rotate the rectangle that is for the same one side, 360 degree, according to the shape of cylinder. Okay. Similarly, I have one triangular shape. Okay, I'm going to rotating that axis right into with respect to 360 degree, according to the code. Okay, similarly, sphere and the torus. Okay, that will be we'll see. So it's told now this is solid revolution. Okay, I'm taking on rectangle shape. Okay, this is your axis. You can imagine axis. Then I'm going rotating this rectangle on full entire 360 degree. Okay, you're getting the shape of cylinder. Okay, so this we call the generators. Generator, this axis, this end face. Okay, similarly, top and bottom having the circle shape. Okay, then cone, how we are getting cone? They are in that one triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Okay, we are going to base on this axis and rotating 360 degree and getting the shape of cone. Okay, so this is called as some generators. Okay, this is a base. Okay, apex point or vertex point. The next is sphere. Getting sphere, okay, only half revolution. Okay, some half revolution circle you can rotate into some 360 degree getting shape of some sphere. Okay. Then torus, one small circle. Okay, some distance here, some distance will be there. Okay, radius or distance will be. Then I'm rotating this circle into full entire 360. Okay, this shape of torus. Okay, just know what is torus, sphere, and cone and all. Okay, this is coming under the solids of revolution. Okay, you're going to revolution the edge of any one edge. You're getting different shapes. Okay, so solid generator is called as a solids of revolution. Okay, and I'm rotating the revolved the one of its edges. Okay, so we generate the solids. So that we call as a solid of revolution. Okay, another 3, 4. One is rectangle, then triangle, then half circle here, then a circle with some distance. Okay, torus. Okay. There will be section of solids, so there will be discussed next week. So now I'll come to that questions. Okay. Time is okay, I'll come to the question, 6th week question. So here also you have to draw 4 questions compulsory, like a class problem. So you have to draw it next class, that is on Monday. So 4 questions. Okay. Maybe first question, all question may be for you new only. So anyway, I'll give some tips for the comments. What are the comments will be there? So just the Monday. Okay, we'll see that answers. Okay, or we can practice it, show the answer. I'll check it whether correct or not. Okay, that is the correct word. Okay, they're saying all the answers we are trying only, that is not correct. I'll explain the comments. Okay, so based on your comments, we can complete this answer. Okay. 1 or 2 questions I'll explain. Okay, no problem. So here first question, which question you want? Okay, read it. So first question deals with cylinders. Okay, cylinder Second question is cone. Okay, conical shape. Then third question is pentagonal pyramid. Okay, third question is pentagonal pyramid sphere. Okay. So I'll discuss how to draw that cylinder, then a pyramid, and all in AutoCAD. Then I'll go to the questions. Okay. So I think this is a question previous week. Now fourth week they're asking on diagonal. Okay, so diagonal means you can draw the dimension of from here to. Yeah, they're asking the length. This one, true length of longest diagonal. Okay, so that you have to find. Okay. So, okay, same diagram. Okay, same window. We are going to draw the pyramid. Okay. Now I hope some people have understood that how to draw the prisms. Okay, so that you can draw any shapes. Then extrude option you can do it, or else suppose we are drawing that directly box means you can write here. That is a cube. You can write here, or you can draw the square. You can extrude. Okay, that is one method. Okay, for drawing cylinder, you can take it from here directly. Okay, or else one more method is you can draw a circle or draw the cylinder. Okay, I'll draw in a isometric view. Understand easily. Okay, so cylinder. So asking the center point. Okay, similarly radius or diameter you can give. I'm going to give some diameter of some 30 mm. Then I'm going to give a height of 60 mm. Okay, so this is one cylinder. See the shapes. Okay, this is cylinder. Okay, I can draw therefore directly cylinder command, or else I can draw one circle. Circle with the diameter, same diameter, or I give how much 30. Okay. To select this object, enter height of 60. Okay, this also both are corrective. So for you, which one is convenient, you can write. Okay, this is also cylinder. This is also cylinder. This I did directly the cylinder command. This I did circle and extruder. Okay, next cone. Okay, here cone you cannot do the extrude because of this is in apex spine. So cone you can directly cannot extrude. So you can do only from that options. Okay, cone option. So again same, read, just go to the cone, just click it, read the command bar, specify the center point. Okay, I'm going to draw from here somewhat. Then radius or diameter. So in my case I'm going to same diameter of 60. Enter. Next they're asking the height. Okay, height I'm going to give how much height you want to give here. Okay, so I'm going to give some 60. Okay. So like this in a cone. Okay, how to draw the cone? You can write like this. Okay. Okay, cylinder and cone. Okay, the next having some command sphere. Okay, this sphere. Okay, if you want, you can practice. Okay, practice this sphere. Okay, then they ask the pyramid. Suppose I want to draw the pentagonal pyramid or hexagonal pyramid. Okay, so pentagonal pyramid 5 sides, hexagonal 6 sides. So normally what we did means we draw the shape. Okay, pentagonal shape or plane. We can draw the plane, then extrude. Okay, but here you cannot extrude for the pyramid. Okay, so what are we going to do? Directly take the pyramid here. So same edge method or side method. I'm going to know the sides you can give. Number of side is 5. Enter. Next you give the edge. Okay, so I know the edge means you can draw. Okay, so inclined and parallel to HPV like this. You can base on that. After that, okay, you can fix it. No problem. But then you can keep it somewhat angle. So I'm going to give some 30 mm side. Height I'm going to give same 60 mm. Okay. So like this, I give the pyramid. Okay, pyramid. So if you want to see the top view, change into wireframe. Okay. The top view of your cylinder is circle. Your cone is also looking like circle. Okay, this is resting on. I am taking everything resting on ground. Okay, so top will be the circle. For cylinder is a circle, is a circle, but here is a pentagon shape. Okay. So what will be this condition? This one side is parallel to the wall. Okay, one side is parallel to the wall. Okay, this is a case. Okay. Now front will be the What about front view of cone? Anyone answer? Front view of cone is triangle.
Triangle. I guess
Front view of
a triangle.
very good. Triangle only. Cylinder.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
You want to, correct. Okay. You want to check doubt? Just check it. Okay, front view. This is almost cylinder, coincidence, no problem. Okay, this is a cylinder. Okay, this is a cone. Okay, this is a cone. This is a pyramid. Okay, pentagon pyramid. I see 5 sides are there. Na? 5 side edges are there. Okay, so yeah, because this is some inclined though. So parallel means about different angles, somewhat inclined. Okay, so it's having the all the 5 sides corners. Okay, longer edges. Then this is a cylinder. Okay. For rotation, you know how to rotate. You can rotate directly from here, or else RB rotation, or you can press a scroll button and rotate. Okay. Press shift button using the mouse scroll button, you can rotate it. Okay. Okay. Next, in addition to the question, they given one more option is okay. First question cylinder. Second question cone. How to draw? Told how to draw the cone and all. Then here they are giving the sphere. Okay, sphere. Instead of the sphere, you can take it. Okay, see. Okay, they asked it. Sorry. Go to here. Sphere option. Okay, they asking only radius. They asking only radius of diameter. Okay, give some diameter. Diameter can give. Okay, some 30. What is the front view?
Circle.
Yeah, same. Okay, see, like this will be the front view also would be the same shape. Okay, circle. Okay. Then sphere. Okay, pyramid. Okay, wedge is not required. Okay, torus. You want to see the torus means? I'm going to print top view first. Torus, specific central point. Then you have 2 radius somewhat. Okay, specify the radius and going to some diameter from 30. Then one more tube diameter. Okay, how much tube diameter you have to give from here to here? Okay, so I'm going to give some less. Okay, some 20. See that. Okay, so it will be merged together. Okay, merged together. You can give smaller one also. Okay. I'm going to say from radius making better. Okay, radius. Give some about 5 mm. Okay, see, like this. This tube is 5 mm. Total radius is still coming 30 mm. Okay, 15 mm. What are given dimension will be coming. Okay. This for torus, but they are not asking question from the torus. Okay, anyway, know the comments. Okay, because of it will be included in your syllabus now. Easy only, but know the comments how to draw it and okay, practice it. Okay, so the first 4 question is you have to draw compulsory. Okay, so you can read the question. Which question you want to draw? Want to practice? Want to
Fourth one.
fourth one. Okay, one more. I'll draw 2 questions.
Third one.
Okay, very good. Because of the 2 things only tough. Because of first 2 questions easy. Because of that you have to draw only cylinders. Okay, cylinder, 50 mm diameter, axis is 80 mm long, lying on ground with the axis inclined. Okay, only you have to draw the cylinder, then ground. Okay, then you have to rotate only 45-degree angle. That's it. You're getting the first question answers. Okay, second question also same. Only you have to draw the cone. Diameter is 40 mm. Altitude is 60 mm. Base is kept on the parallel to the wall. Okay, base is. So okay, we will clarify. Well, clarify. Okay, how to start the first question? Which you have to start? Anyway, this 2 is easy. First 2 is easy. Okay, so people are asked only third and fourth. Okay, I will draw third and fourth, but I want to discuss the answers for first 2. Okay, then I'll move to third and fourth. How to start the first question? Which view or start? Front view or top view? Because cylinder diameter is given, okay, 15
top
in
view.
x.
Top view of circle. 50.
Lying on ground, okay. Whether lying on ground mention whether that is 80 mm or 50 mm.
The height of the cylinder is 80 mm and the radius of the circle is 50
Whether
mm.
two shape, whether getting with two shape, whether in two shape is it only front view or top view?
So top view.
Top view is, we can see a circle. Angle kind of
Okay, the next they given
rectangle.
okay, next they given incline 45 degree to wall now. Which you are rotate, front view or top view?
Front view. Incline.
Hmm?
Front view.
Front view or top view rotate. This is that's what I told at least mug up and initially I told during I think third week onwards point
Obviously.
incline to wall means which you have to start. Wall don't confuse, okay, wall nothing but VP. Okay, flow nothing
VP.
but HP. Okay. So incline to HP means the inclination visible on which view?
Front view.
Front
Front
view.
view. Yeah. Incline to HP. Remember, incline to HP means
Front
that
view.
inclination can visible only on front view. Okay, incline to VP
Top
means
view.
that inclination visible only on top view.
Top view.
Okay. Then how you are saying now? So here inclined wall means which view? Top view or front wall nothing but
Wall is VP.
VP. Top view. But you said now you said top will be a circle. How are you rotating circle 45 degree? If people have answered top will be a circle, front will be a rectangle, then top you have to rotate, as per the question you have to rotate top is 45 degree angle, then how will be rotating circle 45 degree?
By the plane.
Getting my point. Okay, you answer first. You answered for first two lines. That will be a circle, will be a top view. Front will be the front rectangle. Okay. So second line they gave one incline 40 degree to wall. But that case you are rotating the top view 40 degree. Correct? I am correct. Correct. How will be rotating the circle 40 degree? So first is wrong. Correct? So which your shot? Front view or top view first? Okay, you decide. Okay. Anyway, everything I explained means okay. So maybe you're not serious for the subject. Okay. So find the answer first question because that is very easy. First and second question very easy. Only the second, third, and fourth question is trying difficultly in AutoCAD. But that one I'll write AutoCAD. Okay. First two question find the answers. Okay. So you are according to your point, if you are thinking top will be a circle, I will be rotating 40 degree inclined to wall. That you have to find. Or maybe your answers maybe initially maybe wrong. Okay, then find the answer, right answer. Okay. Then come to second question. This is not for you people, but this is for all the people. Okay, those are not answered also, those are listening also, that also for you same answers. Find the answers, right? Okay. Answers I'll if you want me, I'll show it next week, next class. Okay. So first, you can rather show the answer. I'll check whether correct or not. Okay, that is also correct. Second question, come back. Time is moving. Make it fast. Second question. How to start? This, if you know the previous week or third week onwards, this is very easy. Okay, we can complete it within less than 1 minute for the second question and all. Okay, they didn't mention any inclination. Directly or rather cone. Okay, but the starting is important. Which you are select, that is important. You start the
Front
top
view
view or
would be a circle.
front view.
Will be a circle.
Okay, top will be the
Triangle. Because the base is parallel to the wall, that is VP.
according to your questions, I will come back. Okay, so if the front view will be a circle means, what about the axis? Axis is perpendicular or parallel?
Perpendicular
Okay.
to the wall.
Okay, then kindly read the last point. Base is kept parallel to the wall.
Base is a circle, no?
Yeah, base circle. Now, according to your point, you said the front will be the circle. What about circle is perpendicular to wall or parallel to wall?
Parallel.
Circle is parallel to the wall.
Parallel to
Wall. VP.
wall. Yeah, correct. Okay, so what will be the front view? Front view will be the
Circle.
how to start? Start from front view or top view?
Front view.
Okay. So you draw the front view, top view, and right side view of the cone of base diameter 40 mm and altitude 45 mm. Okay, when a base is kept parallel to the wall. Okay, kept parallel to the wall. Okay. Okay, the question. Okay. So you draw the here pentagonal pyramid of base side 25 mm. Okay, 25 mm axis. You have to explain. Okay, I'll draw it. You have to explain. Okay. Pentagonal pyramid base side 25 mm, axis 60 mm, rest on its base edges on the ground. Okay, leave it. Highest. Okay, so first you draw first two lines answers. 20 mm above ground and we'll discuss later. Axis is parallel to the wall. Okay, that was a condition. Remember, axis is parallel to the wall. How to start for third question? I'll try it. Okay, I'll try it because the 20 mm above and all may not getting correct. I'll try 20 how to try 20 mm above and all. Okay. Start from which view?
Top view.
Top view is axis parallel to wall, perpendicular to wall.
Axis is parallel to the wall.
Okay, so top view have to. Okay, so the top view have to start. Correct. But don't confuse. So be relaxed. Okay, so this is just to discuss in class only. Na, so don't worry. Okay, so no need to worry whether right or wrong. That doesn't matter. We're trying. Okay, and clarifying your doubts. Okay. So don't think somehow we are saying a wrong answer. That will be a wrong. That is no problem. Okay, so right or wrong. That is the first class only. First time you are studying. Na, no problem. So axis is parallel to the wall means okay. So you may be one maybe axis parallel to wall means okay. Maybe axis is perpendicular to floor also. Correct? That case also.
Yes.
Yeah. So that
HQ.
top will be getting the axis perpendicular. Okay. That you have to remember. That will have one against. In addition, pentagonal pyramid of base side 25 mm. Axis length is 65 mm. Okay. So there is a question here. On one of base edges on the ground. Okay. So you have to start from the top view. Okay. Correct. What is true shape? True shape is what?
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
That will be visible only top view or front view.
Top view.
Top pentagon.
Okay, so delete this one. And first select the view. Okay, it was top view. Okay, so it was the pentagon pyramid. So it's the pyramid. So you can take the go to pyramid option. I'm going to draw shape somewhat. Okay, you don't need inclination. So I'm going to draw F feet. Either this condition. How much length is side length is? Radius. Side length is 30. Yeah. Pentagon. Sides 5. Enter. Edge. How much edge length is?
35.
25 and 60. Okay. 25 and 60. Sides are 5. Then edge 25. Height is how much?
60.
60.
60.
Okay. In top view, remember. That is the main thing. Okay. Top view will be like this. Okay. What about front view will be?
Triangle.
Okay. Front view will be a triangle like this. Okay. But they given one more condition. The highest base corner 20 mm above the ground. Okay. What about 20 mm above ground means which you can visible the 20 mm above the ground? Front view or top view?
Front view.
Yeah. Front view. Okay, there will be above ground. I can able to see the 20 mm will be front view. Okay, so that's what you have to change into front view. So this highest, this is the corner. See, in top view, this is highest corner. Correct? From here to this corner is highest one. Okay, that will be 20 mm above the ground. Okay, for that rotate from the front view. Okay. For that, what we are going to do means, so you draw one line. line from this point is you can take it some 20. So you can take some convenient distance. Okay. After you can delete it only, just click it. Next thing is you have to move this point to 20 mm above the ground. Okay. So you cannot move it to here. Okay. Because we're rotating this one, you're going along with some height of this 20 mm line. Okay. This line is only going in. Correct. For that, we're going to draw one circle. Okay. From this point to this point. Okay. Moving outside, don't worry. So just click the circle and drag it into here. Okay. So listen carefully for this. This only somewhat difficult. Remaining under easy. Okay. The next, you have to move this corner 20 mm above the ground. I draw already on reference line 20 mm above here. So you have to move this corner to from 20 mm means here now. So here you can move it. Okay. Use M move command. Select object. Press enter. From this corner only I'm going to rotate. Okay, we have to rotate. RO. Press this enter. This respect to this one you have to rotate. Okay, ortho mode is off. Okay, so but it's not coming here. Okay, one more thing is remember. If I move it happen. Okay, see, I can do it one more. Rotate. Select object. Press enter. With respect to this one, I'm going to moving this corner the corner along with the height of moving. Imagine that intersection. Okay, just zoom it in up to here. Okay. Now imagine now this height I am moving up to above the ground. Okay, one corner or the only question they given is the highest corner, base corner 20 mm above the ground. Okay, so in the front view you can able to see front view, remember front view the 20 mm above the ground. Okay, then remaining you can delete it. Okay, so this is only one hints. Remaining all the same. Okay, next you know how to do it. Okay, so go to view, check it standard already. Okay, view base, model space, enter. So this is 6.3 here. This is your front view. View base, select object, enter. 6.3. Click it, front view, top view, and side view. They are asking side view isometrically. This isometric. That's it. Okay, remaining you know how to give the dimensions, label and all. Give the label for that one. Okay, this is answer for method. Okay, method for drawing, method for the third questions. Okay, va? Any doubt, pa? I hope you
The
understood.
second
No,
question,
sir.
Yeah.
so in the second question, how will we name the right side view?
Here they didn't ask right side view. Can give side. No, suppose double dash. You don't need to worry about just cone only now. So don't need to worry about that all that corners. Okay, either you can draw. See, either you can draw only 4 corners will come. Okay, you can do apex point is the main. Okay, apex point there is O dash or double dash is important. Side view because of circle you cannot give it. Okay, circle you cannot give the label. Otherwise, suppose they are giving only 4 lines means you can give the 4 lines only 4 corners only can give the label. That is enough.
Sir,
Yeah.
in the first question, I think it will be a rectangle on front and top view both.
Yeah, try. Yeah, sure. You try. If you found me, very well and very good. Okay, I'll appreciate you. First, find the answers. Okay, but your answer initially people are telling that answer is wrong, but you find the answer. Okay. 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 Any third question? Any doubt? That may be correct. Okay, front view, top view, maybe rectangle. That is also one correct answer. But kindly read the question 1 or 2 times. More than 2 times, read it. Then only you can understand the question. Then you can start. Okay. What is about 4th questions? The time is there now. So 2 minutes I'll explain about 4th question. Easy only. Okay, the 2 spheres of a diameter of 30 mm resting on ground. Okay, touching each other. So draw the projection of 2 conditions you draw. Okay, one is line joining their centers is parallel to the both the wall and the floor. Okay, then another one is the center of the centers is the parallel to the floor and inclined to the some walls. Okay, see, listen here. The 4th question. So it has sphere. Okay, so you take it from the top view, no problem. Okay, top view. Yes, so they given us resting on the ground only now. Okay, so top view. So we draw the sphere. How much diameter they given us? 30. So again you have to one more two spheres. They given us two spheres. Okay, two equal spheres. So 30 mm side. That are one more sphere. Somewhat here. Again diameter 30. Okay. Next they given first condition. The line joining the centers is parallel to the both wall. Again you are using a move command. Move to this corner. Just to move to that corners. Okay. Because if you're feeling not moving, you just want to draw a line for here. Okay. Just move like this, join together. You may see there. Should be joined, okay. Not joined means just to move it again. Okay. Okay, so this is a two joined together. Okay, so this is the first question answer. Okay, second question, same thing. Okay, see the second question, second subdivision is same only, but you have draw rotation. Okay, RO, rotate, select object, enter. Any one axis, you have rotate some angle of 30 degree. Rotate, select object, enter. You can rotate into some 30 degree. Okay, so this is the answer for second subdivision. The line incline center is parallel to the floor, incline to 30 degree to wall. Na? Incline 30 degree to wall means which you should rotate, top view or front view?
Top view.
Yeah. So again, I did only in top view only. Na? So incline to wall, you can rotate top view only 30 degree. So again, same. This is you can do it into layout. You can see the answer. And I am previous one right now that is without rotation. That is also your drawing layout. Okay, so that you can take it as a 4.1, 4.2. Okay. So, okay, I hope maximum covered that topics. There's 4 questions. Okay, so I'll post this question as a assignment for the week number, exercise number 6. So next week, Monday onwards, you can start. Okay, if we have downloads, we'll discuss Monday also. Monday lab class will discuss. Complete the 4 questions. So this maybe will taking how much time will be take for this 4 questions? Anyone? How much time will we take for you? Maximum time. I
Sir,
think
week
start
five
the drawing only this one only for within 50 minutes before you explain and try it. Okay. Week 1 completed up. So week 5. That is solids 1 completed up. You people?
No, sir.
No, sir.
When I get deadline, I think now 11th.
Monday, sir. Monday.
Monday is the deadline for week.
Monday. Okay. That is also 6 number 5. Okay. 4 people only turned in. Okay. So I check your answers. So time is there. So this one, how much you want time for week number 6? That is exercise number 6.
So week number
Sir.
5 also extended.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Diwali.
I told only 4 questions, not all the questions.
Even not
Diwali is also going on.
So we won't be able to do in the midst of festival.
Okay. But to keep on extending means okay. Then next time I'm going to evaluate on time. Okay, so based on that, because some people are completing on time, they're not getting good marks. Okay, you have to consider that. I will extend this week 5, week
Week
6
five.
also. I'll extend some week. Okay. Anyway, no problem. Okay, no issues. Okay, so remaining we'll see on Monday class also. Okay.
Okay.
And then okay, take turns. Yeah. File is that okay? So make it fast. Answer attendance. Anyway, happy Diwali. Be safe. Okay, safety Diwali. Okay, enjoy. But I'll extend. Thank you. But anyway, I'll extend. Okay, based on your request, I'll extend the date of 5th week. 6th week also kindly complete. Okay. Okay. Answer attendance 51. Next day. Atul. Atul not available. Okay, next day.
50%, sir.
Okay, okay, next day. Make it tell it first. 53. Adan. Okay, next day.
54 present, sir.
Okay, next day. And unmute your mic by initially. By 55, I think he texted. He texted. Okay, okay. Okay, next day.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay, okay, next day.
Present,
Okay.
sir.
Okay,
15
next day. Okay, okay, 15. Okay, okay, next day. Jana.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day. Darshanan. Next day. Shubham. In attendance is like less for these people.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay,
Present,
next day.
sir.
Okay, okay, next.
Sir, he had net issue, sir. He wrote in the chat in the very beginning.
Okay, okay, ba. I'll check it, Papa. Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
77 present, sir.
Okay, Shurabhi, ma. Not to with the.
Yeah, she's present. She wrote in the chat box.
Okay, okay. I'll check the chat box. Chat box. I'll check it. Don't worry. Okay. Next
Present,
day.
sir, 78.
Okay, ma. Next day.
Present, sir, 79.
Okay, next day.
Yeah,
So-
present.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma. Next day.
81 present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Yosh. Okay, next day. Sandanu.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Next day. Afan.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day. Nikhil. Okay, next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day.
Present,
Aditya.
sir.
Okay, next. Nikhil Panda.
Present, sir.
Next day. Sri Krishna Prakash. Sri Krishna Prakash. Next, Arushi.
Present, sir.
Next day.
Present, sir.
Okay, 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 next day. Mugundan.
Present, sir.
Okay, next day. Saranya.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Magin.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Navneet. Navneet.
Present, sir.
Yeah, okay, next. Manisha.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Abhirup. Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Bhargav. Okay, next. Abna.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Adarsh.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Priyankush.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Devesh. Devesh.
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay, next. Sai Prasad.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Akshay. Okay, next. Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Shubham.
Present, sir.
Okay. Naman.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Uday.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Triti.
Present, sir.
Okay, Adarsh.
Present, sir.
Next. Cheta stating present. Aditya.
Present, sir.
Next. Deepanita.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Okay, next. Shivansh.
Sir, he is present, sir. He wrote in chat box.
Okay, I'll check it. Vaibhav.
Present, sir.
Next. Shashank. Shashank. Himanshu.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Patel. I think she should have left. Okay, I'll change it. Okay, Roshan. This one also left. Okay, okay. Roshan. One more. One more time, but no, Roshan. Now we are Roshan Kumar. The like that we can tell. Okay, okay. But you are telling Prasad means forgot now. Ayushi.
Present, sir.
Ayushi. Okay. I'll check the chat box. No problem. Okay, I think also tested. Roshan. Okay. Adam. Okay. Then 51. No. 75. Okay. Okay, but thank you. Okay, we'll see you next class. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Check the chat box. No problem.